Pinterest affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Pinterest to actually make money through affiliate marketing. So without wasting any more time, here is the method. Firstly, come on to clickbank.com. So guys, when you come on to clickbank.com, after that from over here, you will see this dashboard. Simply click on sign up, and then from over there, sign up on ClickBank in just a few clicks. Wait for a couple of seconds and their sign up page is going to come up. Now from over here, simply fill in all these fields that they're asking you about. Now once you fill in these things, after that you can simply move on to step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you've signed up successfully, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So over here you have the ClickBank main marketplace. From the left side, you can see all the categories that you can basically find affiliate products in. Now I'm gonna choose something which I can basically sell on Pinterest very easily, and that is usually health and fitness products. So I'm gonna click on health and fitness. After that, you will see all the health and fitness products in front of you. Now whenever you are picking products, you have to keep in mind a couple of things. You have to take a look at the bottom of every single product. There is going to be these stats over here. You have the initial conversion. The initial conversion is going to be the money that you will make whenever a person uses this particular offer through your affiliate link. So this is going to be the money that you will get in your account. The recurring rebill is going to be how much money you will get at the end of every single month. Whenever their subscription renews, you will get this money. After that, you have the graph. Now the graph is basically an indicator as to how good a particular product is. The higher the graph, the better the product. Generally, anything over 100 is considered to be a good product. So always look for products over 100 on the graph score. So after that, we have the category and some more stats which are not very useful, but basically just keep in mind these things. So now from over here, what I want you to do is pick your product. From the right side is see the average commission and try to pick the product with the highest commission plus the highest graph. So I'm gonna scroll down, I'm gonna take a look over here, and I see some very nice products over here, but in my opinion, I'm gonna go with the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic because this has the highest graph, and this is also gonna give me recurring invoices at the end of every single month. So basically free money all day long. So click on promote. And then after that, simply click on generate hop links. A hop link is basically your affiliate link. So simply copy this. After that, what you can do now is simply move on to another website called shrinkme.io. Now guys, shrinkme.io is basically a link shortening platform. You can literally use this website to shorten any link and to make it prettier. Now another advantage of using this particular website is that they basically give you money whenever a person clicks on your link. They see an ad and you get money for that. So basically they let you earn money as well. So click on register from the top right and then simply sign up quickly in just a second. So from over here, you will see this dashboard once you've signed up successfully. Over here, you have some important things like your total earnings, referral earnings, average CPM, total views. Simply click on new shorten link from the top left and then simply paste that affiliate link over here and click on shorten. Now once you do that, your link is going to be shortened and you can simply copy this link now, and this is going to take you to the same page that this link was taking you. So copy this and now move on to step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to come on to canva.com. Now guys, canva.com is basically a platform which you can use to basically design any kind of graphics whatsoever for your business, personal or school use. You can design presentations, videos like Facebook posts, social media, flyers, YouTube thumbnails, and so much more. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply click on over here in the search bar and type in Pinterest, and then simply click on Pinterest pin 1000 by 1500. Now once you do that, after that, simply from the left side, you will see this menu, and in front of you, you have the canvas. From the left side, you can basically create your very own genuine post, but I'm gonna save time and I'm gonna simply search the template. So I'm gonna type in the search bar weight loss. So simply type in whatever your product is about, and then they will show you relevant posts for that. So over here we have this, but this is a pro version. So I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna simply search again, and then I'm gonna basically modify a template which is cheaper and which is not gonna cost me any money whatsoever. So I'm gonna simply from over here try to pick a post which is the most relevant. So I'm gonna basically pick this particular post. So once I pick this, I can see on the right side we have the cakes and stuff basically symbolizing calories, and then from over here I'm gonna simply double click on the text and I'm gonna type in lose weight fast. After that, simply I'm gonna modify this and I'm gonna type in use link below. So once I do this, I can simply remove this 5. I can basically choose an element from the left side and paste that in over here. So I'm gonna place this in over here, and once I do that, this is gonna be here, and now I essentially have myself a template which I can basically upload on Pinterest, and then simply start to make money from that. So once you have this, put this here, and after that, and now from the top right, click on this button. After that, click on download. Now once you do that, simply sign up, or simply store it onto your computer. You don't even need to sign up. So once you do that, you have that over here in your computer. Simply move on to pinterest.com. So guys, now when you come on to pinterest.com, I want you to click on the top right, and I want you to sign up ASAP using Pinterest. Now once you've done that, I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second. So once you've signed up, now what I want you to do is simply click on the bottom right where there is this plus button. Click on that. After that, click on create a pin. Now once you do that, simply click on this plus button and choose the post that you made using Canva, and then over here simply paste your shrinkme.io URL and then type in weight loss belly tonic, and then simply tell more about the product that you are promoting over here in this particular button. Type in lose up to 10 kg in 1 week. Now when you type in these things, people are really going to be engaged, and people will actually check that product out, and then some people will actually buy it. Now y'all must be wondering, why did we choose Pinterest? Why not any other platform? Well, the reason is that Pinterest gets over 1 billion users every single month. So basically 1 billion users every single month, and all those people are gonna get a chance to basically take a look at your picture. And once they take a look at your picture, guys, after that, honestly, you will see a lot of earnings stacking up in your ClickBank account over here, and you will make a lot of money. And then similarly, you can repeat the process for multiple products and then eventually make a lot of money. Because guys, in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. So guys, this was Pinterest affiliate marketing, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, until next time, goodbye.